Good, so you got to help him a little harder to the first jump. Cluck him on. Good ride. Now really think about holding yourself tall in rhythm. It's okay. Balance, sit back. Now look up a little, cluck through the turn. Good jump. Plan your bending line, help him think. There we go. 1, 2. Good girl. Balance. Little press out of the turn. And then sit back hard. Look up. 1, 2. Good.